Jeremy, hopefully you're carrying over some of that feeling still from last weekend. Tell me how qualifying went for you.
Yeah, went pretty good. First corner I was second, and Frossard blocked past me so hard. And, I had to go out of the track and, work my way again to the front. But it was okay, I had a good rhythm. Once Tony passed me, I just follow a little bit his lines and save some energy for tomorrow, and I'm feeling really good. And I also a little back brake problem, no back brake, but no problem. Second to the gate, perfect.
See you tomorrow for the race. Well done.